Breaking news! Astronomers have said they had their first detection of helium hydride in a nebula. For those who don't know what a nebula is, according to the cosmic perspective, it defines it as being a cloud of gas in space, usually one that is glowing. We'll be right back. And welcome back to our scientific segment with some news you could use. Today we will be reporting on the latest news hitting our internet waves. I regret to inform you all we're late in reporting these findings, as we have been made aware that the discovery was actually made earlier this year. Interestingly enough, these findings have only intensified astronomers' interest in the molecule. Many astronomers have found the ion helium hydride to be captivating, since it is known for being a light yet highly reactive molecule. It is also considered to be the first and most abundant element in our universe. Molecular composition and chemical bonding have always been the fundamental basics in computing chemistry, as the helium hydride ion has been proven to be widespread in the universe. And astronomers claim to have observed their first clear detection of helium hydride in a nebula. And it has once again ignited interest in this substance. According to the Science Journal, the helium hydride ion was discovered in a laboratory as early as the year 1925. It was discovered by chemists Thorfinn R. Holgness and E.G. Lund at the University of California, Berkeley. Since they bombarded a hydrogen-helium mixture at a low pressure and observed the presence of helium hydride and possibly helium hydride too. Astronomers have been participating in decades of research surrounding helium hydrides in an effort to determine and find the helium hydride ion in the interstellar regions that house hot gas. This environment is where the simultaneous presence of ionized hydrogen and neutral helium are known to favor the helium hydride formation. The helium hydride ion is believed to be one of the first compounds formed in the universe after the Big Bang because of its high ionization potential, which challenges our understanding of the universe because, hear me out, once cooling began, hydrogen atoms could interact with helium hydride, leading to the creation of molecular hydrogen. This molecule is primarily responsible for the formation of the stars. Stars that go on to forge all the elements that make up our rich and chemical cosmos today. 3 minutes after the Big Bang, the universe consisted of a mixture of hydrogen, helium, and trace amounts of deuterium and lithium ions. Astronomers believe that by 38,000 years after the Big Bang, the universe was cool enough for atomic particles to combine. As astronomers state that helium is the first atom combined with protons to produce helium hydride, creating a crucial impact, especially in the field of astronomy, since the helium hydride ion has long been suspected of being present in the interstellar medium. Nevertheless, this is where the problem lies, as scientists have not been able to find the helium hydride ion in space, and this first step in the birth of chemistry had been unproven until now. Nevertheless, this is what marked the dawn of chemistry, during which the first ever molecular bond was formed to create helium hydride. Using a NASA airplane-based radio telescope, Rolf Gustin and co-workers at the Max Planck Institute of Radio Astronomy in Bonn, Germany, found a spectral line in the planetary nebula NGC 7027 that corresponded to the one expected for helium hydride. That's amazing news, an amazing discovery for astronomers today. Although few physical and chemical data and there's no hazardous information available for helium hydride at this moment, but chemists believe that if it could be corralled, helium hydride would be the super acid to end all super acids. No one will ever know how strong an acid it is because the caution would protonate anything it touches. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you next week with some news you can use.